everybody. I'm Storm Center 7, Chief Meteorologist Austin Chaney here with you. And we're coming on the air probably a minute or two before a tornado warning is about to get issued for parts of Mercer County. And so we're going to begin our wall-to-wall coverage here as we do have a dangerous thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado just now getting set to cross the Ohio-Indiana line. Even though we don't yet have that tornado warning in place, we have signals on radar that we have a thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. And that's why at this point in time, I do want you to go ahead and seek shelter in that tornado-safe space. Yes, sir. We got Nick Dunn.
From Mercer County.
All right, there we go. So we have a tornado warning. Wow, look, did you see the structure of the clouds when it just lit up? That is a
really
nasty storm.
And that could very well be based on what that's a power flash.
Yeah, that was power flash there for sure.
Let's stay on double box.
Let's go back to that.
You need to go back to that.
Okay.
That live video.
Watch just by this power pole here when it lights up again. Off there in the distance, and let's move it off to the right a little bit. We can see this tornado here. You don't want to step on anything sharp after the fact.
Tom, can you
Those
please
are
take
power flash. That's a big tornado, Nick, on the ground right there.
Yeah, let's go full on sky.
Please go full on that on the weather cam, please.
So what you're seeing right now, that's not lightning. Anything that you see on the bottom part of your screen near the ground, that's power flashes from a tornado on the ground here just north of Greenville.
Anybody in the newsroom, can we roll on this too if we're not already rolling on sky cams? This is something that we don't get a chance to always see. And this could also be very helpful for the weather service as they do their surveys. I'm going to move this just a touch to the right.
They're working on it for you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. And you can almost see the condensation funnel just a little bit. It does not have to come down to the ground, as Austin said earlier.
And let's go back to the double box. Let's get the velocity back on in here so we can show some folks in the path. So the tornado right now, that's why we can see it. It is strong on velocity right now. And
I know we do have on standby too a storm spotter on the phone with us to kind of tell us when we want to take that. So
well,
if we want to take that.
Where are they at? We can hear the sirens going off where they're at right now.
Yeah, we can hear that in the sirens. There should be Zach Batten. Zach, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. I'm in the little town of Bradford currently.
Bradford.
Okay. And what are you seeing out there? I know it's kind of hard to tell, but are you able to maybe estimate what size that tornado may end up being?
So far from what I've been able to see, it's been at least a quarter-mile wide.
Okay.
I'm still seeing power flashes, so it's definitely still on the ground.
Yeah, we're seeing those power flashes here too on our Greenville Skycam. And I think Zach is still with us. He's just texted me and said that you can hear a very loud roar. So I'm not sure if we can maybe pull Zach back in for just a couple of seconds. Zach, if you can still hear me, can you kind of describe what you're seeing? We can still kind of see the power flashes off in the distance looking from Piqua.
Yeah, so the tornado appears to pass just north of Bradford. Very, very audible roar as it was just west of the town. I continue to see power flashes. I'm heading south and then east to try to get back, kind of stay with it a little bit. But there's likely damage just north of Bradford.
Okay, very good stuff. I appreciate that. Thank you. We can see that from our Piqua Skycam.
We're hearing people trapped, people injured in Logan County.